Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tidy with Toya. This your girl Toya. I know I've been missing for a while, but I'm coming at you with a real quick chicken spaghetti recipe that I have that I'm gonna make today. So I'm starting off with some Campbell's cream of chicken soup, 2 cans, a green pepper, and orange pepper. Usually I use a red pepper, but I didn't have any today. Onion, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want to, really. Garlic powder, onion powder, a little Cajun seasoning, sea salt, pepper. That's what we're using for me and my husband's dish. And then for the children, I'm going to use some salt-free vegetable seasoning and then another no salt seasoning. And then of course we got the chicken breast that I got chilling. So right here I got some homemade vegetable broth that I'm going to cook the chicken in. What I do is take scraps from vegetables that I cut up throughout the week, put it in a bag, a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, and then I use it for whatever dishes I have. So we're just going to get this chicken into the pot and get the chicken cooking, and then I'm going to put my spaghetti on the stove as well, and then after that I will start chopping up the vegetables and getting those into the 2 different containers, one for me and my husband and then the other one for the children. So here, as I'm chopping up the vegetables, I'm taking the scraps and putting them in the Ziploc bag to use for another vegetable broth that I will make at some other time. For those of you that are returning, thank you for being so patient and waiting for me to come back, y'all. I got into a car wreck that wasn't my fault. Me and my husband have been sick, and then just wrapped up with the holidays and having the twins. I had to take a little break, but I am back. For those of you that are new, my name is Toya. I create cleaning, organizing, decluttering, twin mom lifestyle type content. If this is something that you are interested in, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing, and let me know you in the comments here watching. So right here I'm just gonna chop up the vegetables like I said and get those into each of the different containers as I'm waiting on the spaghetti noodles and the chicken to finish.
Even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Now that the chicken is done, I'm gonna get that all chopped up and split that up in between me and my husband's bowl and my children's bowl. And then once that is all put together, I will, mix it up and then spray the pans down. Put the chicken spaghetti into the glass dishes and let those bake. So I'm going to let this bake at 350 for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back with the finished product. So this is the finished product. This is going to be so delicious. One of my husband's favorite dishes. Once again, thank you all for joining me again today. Make sure you hit me up in the comments and let me know whether you enjoyed this recipe and whether you would like to see more things like this on my channel. Hope to catch you all in the next video.